Bit of jump building, construction of the track. As you can see, beginning. Bit of a berm around there. Bit of a jump. Progress the track out there. As the bodies increase over the summer, spread the track out right round here. Plenty of space to play with. Plenty of space to play with. Planes, helicopters, boats, RC heaven. Right here in Wolverhampton town. Boom.
Isaac's documentary on Gaz and Gavin.
Added some anti-roll bars, strengthener in there, same on the back with some GPM racing suspension.
Here is Gavin trying to start his car. Do you have anything to say about your car? Nothing then. Do you like your paint job on your shelf?
I do.
Okay, now it's my turn. This is my car and it's better than theirs.
Goggles on for filming this in the sand. himself up on the tree. Get your chainsaw alright now.
Stuck in there. Expected it to drift then.
Don't keep it.
Alright. For God's sake,
What?
I've lost the pin out of the suspension arm now.
Go on.